So far in this section, we've really been looking at rounding. And briefly in this video, I want to talk about truncation, which is slightly different. So truncation as a word really means cutting away. So you can kind of think of this as always rounding down, essentially. So if, for example, you wanted to truncate these two numbers to the nearest whole number, okay, well, what that does is it just removes the decimal part. So 6.3 would be 6 truncated to the nearest whole number, okay, and 6.6 would also be 6 truncated to the nearest whole number, okay. So essentially it just removes that portion away and forces you to round down. So you could also have something like 6.38, and if you wanted to truncate that to one decimal place, then what that does is you go, well, that's the first decimal place, so you truncate everything else away, and so this would be 6.3 truncated to one decimal place. Okay, so in fact it removes everything to the right hand side and forces that rounding down. Another example might be something like 7.3849, and let's say I want to truncate that to 3 decimal places. So I go to the third decimal place, and it doesn't matter whatever it is to the right, okay, we don't even bother looking at it. This is going to be 7.384. It cuts that extra bit away, and that's truncated to 3 decimal places. So this is the idea behind truncation. You're just cutting a bit away. So look out for this word. It's probably not going to come up a great deal, but look up, keep an eye out for truncated or truncation.